Hello, my people. Now we, the nation voice, the voice where they reveal the secret is when it be said the government, the politician, then they say the cover. In case you join the journal for the first time, I've been at the first time with the watchers for this channel be this. I say you are highly welcome. I bet do me a favor now. You see that red subscribe button? Press some. And the small bell when they near on, press some as well so that anytime we will take upload new video again, you no go dey suffer to look for am again. It will come to you like a message. And I pray the same way when it be say you take the support us for this channel. The same way when God will the same people when will they support you for everything when it go when you put your hands to do. In Jesus' mighty name. Amen. And with that, we not waste any of your time again. May we go straight to the news when we get today. All right, my people, may we touch on small. From among the plenty news when it be say we get for our table today. To start with, even Usman Dan Fodio never claimed ownership of Nigeria. Sultan reacts to Fulani group. My people, before we really go deep for inside this matter when we get for hand now, it get the reason why it be say I bring this very news. For recent time now, we don't see plenty news from this very Sultan of Sokoto. And if they try to speak against this action of this Fulani herdsmen. And the reason why it be say if they stand up by this time now, they speak against these people, they rebuke these people, I will try to make all of us understand. Because that is the main point why be say I bring this news come to Una. Because it message don't they come and it don't they come and they try to say may we avoid that and it still they come. And we want to try to address one or two issues concerning this very message. May we take one or two things for inside and we will conclude that together for the comment session. And as we put our hand there for inside this matter, it can rise say, I be the leader of Usman Dan Fodio dynasty. I never see for inside hundreds of books for Usman Dan Fodio where it for write say Nigeria belongs to Fulanis. Now only something when he writes now the role of Islam for leadership, governance and many others. They never mention conquer or any particular land or claim ownership for any territory. The Sultan of Sokoto, His Eminence Muhammadu Sa'ad Abubakar on Friday say he disagree with the Fulani group when it be said they take clear ownership of Nigeria from Sokoto to the Atlantic Ocean. And as we put our hand deep for inside this matter again, he can talk say to remember the Fulani group when they see they call the Fulani nationality movement, when they talk say Nigeria belongs to them from Sokoto down to the Atlantic Ocean, say na their only inheritance. The national president for the group, when in name na Bado Salisu Amadu, he make this very word when he be say he take claim responsibility for the recent killing for Plateau State. And to conclude this whole matter, he can talk say, we don't talk over and over again. Say Nigeria, say na our inheritance. Say we for Africa, say anywhere in the world, say this land belong to us from Sokoto to bank of Atlantic Ocean. He can talk say this na destiny when it be say they bestowed on Usman Dan Fodio. All right, my people, now only this one will fit take from the message when it be say it come from the Sultan of Sokoto. And before we will leave una now, make una share una opinion with us for the comment section. We would like to review the reason why it be say we take this very message. We not take this message to remember the Sultan of Sokoto say it right message, say we want to publish and no, a reason there. You know, as we don't talk for the beginning, say message don't they come from this very leader and if they come when they try to say may we avoid that and the more the message see they come. If they try now to make sure say he condemn this very group when they call Miyetti Allah group so and many other Fulani herdsmen and their activities. Why he can't be say na he can't dey condemn them say when they take the claim ownership of Nigeria right from day one. This Sultan of Sokoto dey there. Right from day one when he be say this Fulani herdsmen, Miyetti Allah group, take the claim ownership of Nigeria. They don't issue so many statements. Even the one we don't they threaten more than this very one when he be say with when he even put under a message so. Because now if they try to condemn them now, you know why the reason why they say he come outside now they condemn them. May it say he no support them. Why? The reason not pass be say he don't see say everybody now don't stand up to their responsibility now. Say Nigeria now not be as they even think say it will be. They can't see and now say Biafra now don't they agitate say they not there with Nigeria. They need their own country on their own. Ododuwa don't see they agitate on their own and don't issue so many messages now where even be say Amotekun take come outside. Then now their own eye now don't they open now. Say not be as they even think not be so it can't they be. Now make this man come outside. Can they issue all this condemnation statement against this very Fulani herdsmen? If not, you know if you tell me now say right from day one, these people to the extent they even issue statements say this very Igbos and the Ododuwas say they be their slave. Say now they be the leader. Say they born them to rule. This man they when they issue that statement, he not come out one day bring message come outside say he condemn them. They come outside, they call all sorts of name, any name when you will be say you will feel here for this world. These people don't name the Igbos and the Ododuwas and every other tribes when be say they that country. This man not come outside, rebuke them, say waiting on the talk so na problem on they bring the come. Now it don't not be today this man become the Sultan of Sokoto. He not just wake up this morning, make they say they do correlation for his body, say they don't make him that Sultan of Sokoto when he be so. No, this man don't dey there for long. He don't they aware of this message when these people don't the issue for so long. Why now? When it be say because not be one condemnation message when this man don't send now, not be two. Even the last one when he said now to send to the presidency say all Nigerians that they suffer. Now you don't wake up. Now the question will be say me I come ask this very Sultan of Sokoto. He just they wake up now. Abi they just they give him that position now. Abi he just they realize say Fulani herdsmen they the country now. For the killings when be say they go on for the east, for the southwest, for years now. More than how many years will I count now? How many years have we count? This man never come and one day issue statement of condemnation. No. Why now? When be say of recent now, when be say you know the pump message come outside. Make people, make the world call the thing say you go the fight against these people now. I've been waiting. See, my dear Sultan of Sokoto, see, you not feel fool all of us. See, the time of that ignorant don't pass. So they as now so una really talk and say we talk say una not go school, but if una throw small bone to us, before we scatter those bone finish, una don't do what una suppose don't do. But this time around, those days don't pass. So you know if you throw this word now, may we the southwest, the southeast now call the thing say you they fight against your people, whereas you dey under cover. Now cover be this one when you dey. So make you not fit deceive us again. Go and caution your people. Build your own land as una want, make una build them. Make una also leave other people to take decision when it be say they decide to take. So no carry mask, cover your face, can't they deceive anybody here. We no want hear that one. Go caution your people. Go and talk to your people. Now, one popular musician I talking when he name Bob Marley. He say you feel fool some people sometimes, but you not feel fool everybody every time. So the one when una don't do, that one don't do. So this time now another era now we dey. So go build your own land. Make una leave other people, make they still build their own land. I think when they come outside, when Yoruba people come out with Amotekun, all of una condemn am. Your people don't come out now with Shege Kafasa. See, we never hear anything for presidency now. I know say you don't see issue statement say you not there for them, but all those one are na formality. Not be we not see any genuineness for inside those matter. So make una just do una thing. Do una thing, build your own nation. Let every other people still live in peace. So my people, now waiting I just get say make I come share with una na it be this one. I might not really sound right the way everybody will like am. I open the platform for everyone. Make una share una own opinion with us for the comment section. And I want like to hang my boot here. And I want to appreciate each and every one of una when it be say he follow us up to this moment. God will continue to bless you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I beg, make you not forget to help us share this video so that every one of us, anywhere when we dey, this message will reach each and every one of us. One thing when I always believe be say information na power. And as you do so, God will continue to strengthen you in Jesus' mighty name. Amen. I beg make you not forget your comment. Leave them for us for the comment section. And we will see you again when we see you. Remember, we love you all. Bye-bye.